Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial on how to get rid of or how to remove watermarks from your picture. You know, it's very frustrating when you have a nice picture you want to use for your design or your projects, but here's the case: you can't, because that picture will be full of watermarks. So I'm going to teach you a cool trick you can actually use to get rid of all these watermarks from your picture. You ready? Let's get right to it. So as you can see, this man is very angry because of the watermarks. So we are going to help him get rid of all these watermarks. And the tool we are going to use is the spot healing brush tool. And this tool is for beginners if you really want to get rid of watermarks and any other stuff from your picture. Let's get right to it. Okay, so this is our image. So let's select the spot healing brush tool. So you right click on this, then you select the spot healing brush tool. Alright, so this is the spot healing brush tool, and make sure the brush size is appropriate for the size of the watermark. So when you right click on an empty space, you can increase or decrease the size of the brush depending on the size of the watermark. So let's right click on an empty space. Let's move the slider to the left side, and it's going to decrease the size of the brush. And when you move it to the right side, it's going to increase the size of the brush. So let's increase the size of the brush depending on the size of the watermark. Now carefully brush over the watermark to remove it. Take your time to ensure a clean result. So you carefully brush over the watermark to remove it. So let's try that. Now let's zoom our picture so that we can get a clear view of the watermark. How to zoom pictures in Photoshop, or how to zoom your image in Photoshop, I've already taught you in my previous video, so you go back and check it out. All right, so let's zoom this one. All right, so let's get rid of this one. Okay, so this one is gone. Okay, so let's get rid of this one too. So as you can see, all the watermarks are gone, and this man is still angry. I mean, he's supposed to be happy. Okay, so this is one way you can use to get rid of watermarks from your picture. As I said earlier on, this is for beginners. There are more effective ways you can use to completely get rid of watermarks from your picture, and I'll be showing you in my next video. So make sure you like my videos, you subscribe, and hit the notification button in case I upload a new sweet and fantastic video like this one. You'll be the first person to get it. So I'll see you guys in my next video.